One of the most common questions I get asked is why use a mortgage broker? And I think the mortgage broker is becoming more and more accepted today, as opposed to in the past it may have had a bad reputation. The big thing that I see as a mortgage broker, the benefit is being a one-stop shop. You come to me, we discuss your situation, and I'm able to find options. I deal with up to 60 lenders, so I have the ability to take your scenario and find out what is the best fit. The truth of the matter is that the large banks these days are much more restrictive than they have been in the past. I know this from my own personal experience, having worked with a major financial institution for 14 years in a lending capacity. The box, as we call it, the lending box within the big banks is getting smaller and smaller and more restricted. Things that may have been financed in the past are not offered, or they're offered only to a very select few individuals. Another thing that's happening within the economy in Canada, more and more people are becoming entrepreneurs. Self-employed is a large market, and it is difficult to get financing with your self-employed individual. The demand for documentation is steep, and a lot of times your bank is not wanting to discuss it with you or to look at the full options. Other demographic trends that are bringing people towards the mortgage broker, for example, is aging population on the other side. A lot of seniors in the market is going to increase the need for reverse mortgages, looking at the CHIP home program options, and giving options so people can stay in their home. The big financial institutions are limited in their ability to service on the senior market in the CHIP program, and they are also rather limited in their ability to see outside the total debt servicing box and see a person's total equity and what their real picture is outside of their income capacity. Another option that's important is for people with, we'll call, bruised credit. The larger financial institutions more and more are setting restrictions that they will not lend to people who've had credit issues in the past. It's never easy to get credit after you've had some credit issues, and I would never say that it is, but we can work with you to rebuild your credit and make a plan so you can succeed going forward. And if you have a large down payment, we have a lot of options that are available to help you get into a home faster. So those are some of the key reasons that you may use a mortgage broker. Really is the ability to shop through a lot of different lenders without having to have multiple credit checks. We take one credit check and we can use that to go through and check with many different lenders to see if they will accept your situation and to try and get the best rate and the best options for you.